What's the tea, everybody? Hi, welcome to this video. Today's Fridays, and Fridays have a drag. And my name is Elaina, but today I'm Lada Deluxe. And we're doing not a drag look, but this is celebrity impersonation, and this is Donatella Versace look. And yeah, I did this, so if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. You can find me at What Presents Plus on Painted with Raven Season 2. And check out my channel for other fabulous videos, drag looks, face paint, celebrity impersonations, you name it. Check it out. So like, comment, subscribe, and ring notification bell. And let's get right into this video. So before we get into the video, I just wanted to say I was inspired personally by Drag Race Down Under, current episode Snatch Game, and there was a great Donatella Versace. And she shaded RuPaul for wearing red and yellow, no red and yellow. It was funny. And I think she did excellent, and that was Isis. So I didn't do like this as Isis, but I did this as Donatella Versace, because I looked up all kind of pictures. It's like Donatella Versace with a lot of wrinkles, but also with a lot of plump and surgery and a lot of shine. She's like shiny all over. So there you have it. So this is going to be a voiceover because I have to think. When I have to think, it's hard for me to talk at the same time. So I just have to paint and think and look. So I'm just going voiceover. So enjoy a short tutorial. So I'm starting with Revolution Pro F10. And this is the foundation I've been panning. It's probably the darkest I have. And it's gonna give me even more tan. Obviously, I tanned myself before the video, the self tan. And now we're doing a really sunny look fried. Donatella Versace looks a lot tan in a lot of pictures, very tan. Using ABH concealers. This is 8 and 1 mixed together. I didn't want it to be too white because this is not a drag look, so I just wanted to have a good highlight. Because she looks very highlighted from all the plastic surgeries, so she's like has that shiny look to her skin because of all the stretching and pulling and fillers. So yeah, we're gonna create the weirdness. So I'm just creating the highlights and the points of the face where she looks very plump, and using ABH Mink contour stick to create contour. Now I'm gonna do something weird here. We're gonna paint like a chin strap because her chin is super short, and obviously she's aged, so I'm doing a lot of aging. There's kind of a fine line between aging and also creating a plastic surgery look because she did have a lot of fillers and facelifts. So she's got smooth skin in some places and wrinkly skin in some places. So I'm just going by pictures. Adding some weirdness to the lips to create her plump lips. And adding some brown lines under the nose to create longer nose. I do it very often. And I'm using contour palette from Rpdr Cosmetics. It has very nice cool tones and warm tones. Just going over the same lines for the contours. Her nose is thicker and longer and wider, so I'm creating the width by using the contour out. Like out, usually I go in, now I'm going out to make a bigger nose and bigger nostrils as well. That's why I put brown lines there. And under the nose, that brown line looks weird, but it makes nose look longer. I'm using Stone Cold Fox palette, and yes, I'm going with the dark brown under my chin. Henny, she's gonna have a chin strap, but that's like illusion of a shadow, as if my chin is shorter. Because I've seen a lot of pictures, she looks like she's got a very short chin and a very high forehead from all the facelifts. Good thing I've got a high forehead naturally, so that's gonna work for me well. I'm using eyeshadow to emphasize the nostrils, make them a little wider and thicker. Just some character features and create some more wrinkles and lines where she has plump cheeks, but then she has lines, smile lines, or laugh lines, what do I call it? Using a BH black eyeliner to create some more eye.
The eye look is the easiest, obviously. At this point, I set myself, as you can tell, and I baked myself. In this video, we're trying to create as much crust as possible because we're trying to age ourselves. So it works actually for me to have all the crust and all the powder. I use in Stone Fox Cold Fox. I can never get the name right. It's Colourpop palette that I haven't touched in a while, that's why. It has a lot of cool shades and it's easy to create a smoky eye look. So pretty much all black and blending with brown outside and just use my finger for the shimmer. She has a lot of shimmer in a lot of pictures, like all the way in the inner corner, even under the eye. I wonder if she does her own eye makeup. Probably does, because it looks kind of sloppy, like she did it herself. The shade. Blending with brown. And there you go, the smoky eye look. I'm using ABH Taupe Brow Wiz pencil. A lot of pictures she has eyebrows bleached and barely there, and a lot of pictures she has kind of a light eyebrow, so I'm just going for the light brow look that I've seen on the more recent pictures that I've seen her. And just a little bit of hair, like a light brow hair. Using FX Diamond FX, that's a face paint palette, just to create lines. Now here I kind of went dark with the lines. I didn't show this in the video, but they were getting a little too cartoonish, so I went over with a sponge with a little foundation left over, and I kind of made them a little lighter. Using Opalescence from Revolution Pro. Haven't used this in a while, and it gives you like all over shine. Then she's got the shine, like a plastic surgery shine, so it's gonna give me that shiny look. I also use some highlighter on top of it because she looks very, very highlighted, like her cheeks, her forehead, and nose. A lot of shine everywhere. I'm using little lines on the neck because obviously aged. Neck always gives away everything. Although she has facelift, but the neck you can tell. And I used a lot of bronzer, can you tell? My neck is really brown. The wig is on, and I'm using a little lip gloss, pink, and a little pink lipstick on top of it. I got just a natural light eyelash.
And she's here, the Nutella Versace. And you should pronounce it correctly. Not Versace, not Versace. It's Versace. I think I could pull off an Italian accent because Russians roll our R's and Italians roll the R's as well. Versace. So, of course, this was inspired by Drag Race Down Under Snatch Game. And I'm like so feeling it. And no, I did not do the queen look. I did the actual Donatella Versace look. And I have so many blonde wigs, that was easy. And my forehead is huge, it's a 6 head, and hers is huge as well. So I actually pulled my wig up instead of pulling it down. Pulled it up. I did the usual wrinkles, not too many because she had so many plastic surgeries and her face has been pulled so much. So I didn't want to overdo the wrinkles, but like around the eyes, she has a lot of folds here. And her chin is kind of very short. So I put like myself a strap, like a brown strap here, to make my chin appear shorter. I'm feeling my oats. I bronze myself as well. A lot of self-tanner, a lot of actual bronze, if you're wondering. So yeah. So what do you guys think? I'm like feeling my oats right meow. And yes, I said right meow because I'm a cat mama. My husband says you need a cigarette. Like, does she smoke? I guess she does. I'm feeling the bronze and blonde hair gaudiness. I actually like bronze and blonde hair, but to the point where when the bronze is too much, it starts to look a little weird, but yeah, there you go. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment, like this video if you enjoy it, and let me know who else you want me to see me do, maybe a celebrity or a drag queen. Leave me a comment below and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Follow me on social media, all the links are down below, and ring the notification bell. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next fabulous video, and it's ciao. Versace. I love you guys and thank you for watching. Bye.